In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable spell check in Microsoft Teams. If you want Teams to help catch typing mistakes while you write messages, this setting is quick to turn on and only takes a moment to find. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, open Microsoft Teams. You can do this in your browser or in the desktop app, depending on how you normally use it. Once Teams has loaded, make sure you're on the main screen where you can see your usual navigation and account options. Next, look to the top right corner of the Teams window and click the three dots. This is the More Options menu, and it gives you access to additional settings and controls for your Teams experience. If you don't immediately notice it, just scan the upper right area carefully, since that's where this menu is typically located. After that, click on Settings. This will open the settings panel where Microsoft Teams lets you adjust different features related to appearance, notifications, language, and writing tools. The spell check option is located here, so this is the place you need to be. Once you're inside settings, scroll down until you find the editor spell check section. Depending on your screen size or the version of Teams you're using, you may need to scroll a little or a bit more to reach it. Take your time here and look for the section label carefully so you don't skip past it. When you locate the editor spell check section, turn the spell check toggle on. As soon as this toggle is enabled, Teams will start helping you identify misspelled words while you type. This can be especially useful if you send a lot of chat messages, collaborate with coworkers, or want to make sure your communication looks polished and professional. If you don't see the change right away, give Teams a second to apply the setting. In some cases, clicking into a chat box and typing a test message can help confirm that spell check is now active. You don't need to send the message, just type a few words and see whether spelling suggestions appear. And that's it. You've successfully enabled spell check in Microsoft Teams. It's a small setting, but it can make a big difference in catching errors before you send a message. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.